This summer I was gifted the opportunity to attend Institut Paul Bocuse in Écully, France, and I spent 4 great months learning under some of the best chefs in the world.
The school is ran by different chefs that are well known in France. They worked from anywhere from Paris to Lyon to Bordeaux to anywhere around the world.
We got chosen through a interview process. So we had to put together a portfolio with headshots, resumes. We had to do a paper about Institut Paul Bocuse, a statement of how we're going to learn to speak conversational French. And so the teachers vote on who gets to go. They pick 3 students per year. So I was on my way to work. I just left school and I get a phone call from Randy, not expecting anything. I'm just thinking he's just gonna ask me some questions or whatever.
My phone starts to ring and it says John Folse Culinary Institute, and I was like, what could they possibly want? What did I mess up with last night? Because I had TA'd a class, so I expected I lost something.
Chef Randy walks up to me and he's like, I'm about to make somebody's day. And so I kind of like freaked out inside. And then he's like, you're going to France. And of course I said, mon Dieu, which is my God in French.
Ended up calling my parents right after that, just talking to them about it. So if I could have seen them through the phone, they were probably doing backflips. They were very excited.
I still haven't really realized that I got the position and got to do it, so it's kind of still not kicked in yet, even though I've come back already.
There's so many different experiences that we had while there in 4 months, and one of the really cool ones that I experienced was my first concert ever was in a Roman amphitheater in the city of Fourvière, which is above Lyon. And we saw Florence and the Machine, the 3 of us from the US, and 2 students from the Institut Paul Bocuse.
Being there for 4 months, we actually became locals. We actually knew the people that own local spots, where we go and get our wine, our cheeses, our charcuterie. We were able to be a part of the community.
Most of our free time we spent either trying out different restaurants or shopping. There's tons of that over there. For us, we had a 2-week vacation at the end of the summer in which we, I think we traveled. We did Spain, Italy, Germany, the Netherlands, and then we had been to Paris a few times already, and a few other small cities in France.
We didn't really have typical days because in the 16 weeks that we were there, we were in a different class and a different schedule each week. A typical day on like a weekend would have been going into Lyon, going shopping, going eat kebab with friends on the riverside, or going to a bar, or just going and have fun within the city of Lyon.
So basically, like, we were paired with a chef and they would teach us a specific technique. Like 1 week we would do poultry, 1 week we would do like meats, 1 week we did seafood, fish.
We had 3 main chefs, Fremont, Blaise, Volcourt, and L'Hospitalier. They were all well-renowned French chefs. They all worked in Michelin restaurants, 2 of them which owned their own Michelin restaurants for a long time. Along with that, we had about 6 other professors.
The thing that made it special with these chefs, especially in France, was that they, even though they were with us for a short time, they made it a point to get to know us, and they were really interactive.
I think it was important to meet people from all over the world and make connections, because that's a whole ton of different job opportunities. It's how I looked at it whenever I was going over there. Like, you say if I wanted a job in Japan or a job somewhere in Western Europe, we have people that we know there now.
Chef John Folse Culinary Institute is lucky because it's the only one chosen in the US out of all the schools to actually participate in this program. Now, they didn't choose CIU New York, they didn't choose Johnson in Wales, they didn't choose any other culinary institute, they chose John Folse Culinary Institute. And I think that's amazing because we have such a unique culture. We're nothing like the rest of the US, where the rest of the schools in the US learn classic French cuisine or classic Asian cuisine. We learn our culture. So it's completely different from all the universities.
The trip was paid for mostly by the school, because our tuition was covered and our room and board was covered there through the funds raised by Bite of the Arts and different events that are done throughout the year. We're able to send 3 students because we raise so much money through Bite of the Arts funds and through other events. Not too many other schools get to send students through funding themselves. We're one of the lucky ones
to be honest with you, every chef that's ever done something or ever succeeded in a way has stepped outside of his own culture to experience another culture, so he can bring it back to his culture and say, this is how they do it, so let me show them how I do it. So it was really cool because every chef needs a chance to travel the world and see other things. So I got the opportunity to do that.